Sup everyone, this is Sailor Friend. I'm going to be making up another challenge. I looked up annoying sound challenge, I couldn't find one, so I'm going to be making an annoying sound challenge. The object of the game is to play two sounds and see which one is the most annoying. So I'm going to try 2400 baud modem noise. Wasn't that annoying? Okay, there's another one. 300 baud modem noise. Which one's more annoying? That one's more loud. That's all I know. Ooh, fairy tale. Yep, that one's more annoying. Ow! R.I.P. headphone users. I'm really sorry. Oh, and yep, fairy tale is. Hold on. Freaking fairy tale. Hold on. Right here. Okay. Bye, guys. So, 300 baud modem noise wins by a mile. Okay. Bye-bye.